Hello friends, now let's study Kanji Masho 17 and 4 Kanjis 8. Kai, World Kanji. In this kanji, the bottom kanji is Kai, which means mediator. This kanji may have been used here just because of its onyomi. The upper kanji is the rice field kanji, hence land. Land constitutes a big part of the world, thus this kanji means world. This kanji is most commonly used in the word sekai, which means world. Kotowari kanji. This kanji means logic, reason, truth, justice, etc. This has two radicals. First radical is the king radical and the second radical is ri, which means a village or measure of land. Both these radicals have almost nothing to do with the meaning, except that the king dispenses justice to the subjects. Justice is one of the meanings. Or the Ri kanji may have been used here just because of its onyomi, which is also the onyomi of this kanji. Most common word example is with material kanji ryo. Word is ryori, which means cooking. Umu or musu, the product or property kanji. In this, the first radical is a human-like radical. It is also used in the face kanji kao. So, this kanji radical means human. The next kanji radical is life kanji radical. So, these together mean human carrying life, that is, giving birth, producing. So, this kanji means product and also property. Most common word example is with one more life kanji sei, seisan. Seisan means production. Yo, use or business kanji. This kanji resembles yen, that is the Japanese currency kanji, but with one more stroke and a stroke extended. So this kanji is something done with the yen, that is business. It also means make use of. Mochi-iru. Most common word example is with the things kanji koto, with onyomi ji. Yoji. Yoji means business, task. Then, rice field kanji. We have already studied this kanji in Kanji Masho 1. Onyomi is then and kunyomi is ta. Next kanji is machi, town kanji. This has rice field kanji radical and hinoto kanji radical. The second radical hinoto means town or street or also servant. Here the town meaning is used. So town field or town ground, that is town. Onyomi cho. Egaku or drawing, picture kanji. This kanji is based more on its appearance. It looks like a framed picture hanging on the wall. So this kanji means picture or drawing. Kunyomi is egaku and onyomi is ga, kaku, e or kai. Most common word example is eiga, which means movie, film. Inu, dog kanji. This has big kanji radical dai with a small stroke on top right. The small stroke on top right means tied. So something big, fairly big, that is tied. This is to remember the radicals in the kanji. But we can compare this kanji to a picture of a dog shown here with the two legs and head to the side. Ken, Togu, polish or study kanji. This has a stone kanji radical and a katana sword like radical. It is not exactly a sword but something which is similar to the sword. Hence, when the stone is to be polished, it is worked on with a sharp object. Thus, this kanji means polish. When we need to study, we polish the brain. Hence, it also means study. Most common word example is kenkyu, which means research, study. Hatsu, start or departure kanji. This has a katana-like radical that was seen in the previous kanji, but it is more curved here. The curved stroke looks like a small hole radical. Then there is the roof radical on top with many small strokes as if to say roof got broken. Thus this kanji says something broken open to start. So it means start or leave. Kunyomi is tatsu. Most common word example is kaihatsu, which means development. Ken, perfecture kanji. This has an I radical and underneath another radical which is not very common and it is difficult to give any meaning to it. It has to be simply remembered. This is very commonly used and it means district or prefecture. Makoto, real kanji. This has 3 kanji radicals on top of one another. They are open, I, and total. So it means open eyes totally and look at the truth. Thus this kanji means real. But it also means Buddhist sect. Onyomi is shin. Most common word examples are masugu, that is straight ahead, and vidri kanji shinri, which means truth. Next kanji has 2 meanings with 2 pronunciations. First let's see this kanji. It is beauty kanji, utsukushi. This kanji forms the first radical in Kirutsuku kanji, but with 1 stroke less. The lower kanji is I kanji radical, hence it means looking beautiful by wearing clothes or seeing very well with the eye, that is arriving. Onyomis are chaku or jaku. Next, 2 kanjis have arrow radicals. Arrow means pointing to something. Hence, the first kanji arrow points to the mouth and the meaning is wisdom. A person whose speech is very good is a wise person. That is what this kanji means. Onyomi chi. In the next kanji, the arrow points to a bean or pea. This radical is mame, P radical. Hence, arrow points to something very small. Thus, this kanji means short or shortcoming. Kunyomi is mijikai, onyomi tan. In this kanji, the upper radical is sickness radical. The lower radical is a radical used to say third class. So, they together mean a bad sickness or actual meaning is sick. Most common word example is byoki with feeling kanji ki, which means sickness. Now let us see if you remember all the kanjis taught just now.